Hey guys, today is Thursday, right? Quite a busy day for me. I did annual market outlook for the public, for everyone, right? Including my students, and I have a special extra bonus session for my exclusively for my students to take action on my annual market outlook, right? Okay, next Monday, and I'm planning for it also. And after that, my session today, annual market outlook session, ended around um, 10 o'clock, right? Okay, and give a lot of ideas for the year, right? Okay, and some insights on how I think the market will move. We will see at the end of the year whether it comes true or not, right? Okay, because in 2022, right, when most people was thinking like the market will continue to rally from the bull run in 2021, right, as early as first quarter of 2022. In my annual market outlook, I talk about it will be a down year, right? Okay, and it did become a down year. And last year, most people say it will continue to go down. And in my annual market outlook early last year, I talk about it will be a bull market, right? And it turns out to be, right? So I gave my take, right, today on how the markets will move for the rest of the year, right? Okay. Next year we will know, right? Okay. Yeah. But anyway, I did some light day trading, right? In a very small loss. This week is not a good week, right? Tomorrow I'm going on a cruise trip, and I won't be trading at all, right? For the weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Then I'll come back refresh. Monday I will do my annual market outlook for exclusively for my students to take action on the insights that I have, right? But of course, do it safely, right? And also they have to do their own due diligence like everyone else, right? Okay. You never want to like listen to someone and just do it blindly, right? Okay, do your own due diligence. So yeah, let's take a look at today's results. Hey guys, welcome to my screen, right? Okay, so basically what happened is that I traded on gold, right, which was suggested by one of my students. Should have this courage to enter it, right? But anyhow, I still went ahead with the trade and took a loss, right? Okay, so and also closed my swing trade BMY for a small loss, right? Okay, so total realized loss is 287, right? Considered small compared with the past 1 or 2 days, right? And this is improvement, right? Looking forward to like next week start making wins, right? Okay, in fact traded on MO, right? And also Dash, right? Why Dash is a $4 loss is because I didn't have the equity to trade Dash based on my sizing, right? Okay, one thing, MO required too much equity, right? Okay, and it took almost the whole account equity to trade MO, and I couldn't really trade Dash. I only managed to trade 19 shares of Dash, right? Next week, definitely because of this swing trade taking up some equity, you can see based on the maintenance, I'm going to reduce my risk per trade for every single trade, right? Okay, for the day trades, so that I can get in and really size it correctly, right? Okay, but quickly, let me just show you what happened, right? Okay, MO. Okay, you can see the setup on the 4 hour, 30 minutes and 1 hour, right? The setup is there for MACD for it to getting ready to move up, right? Okay, so market open here, straight away gap up a bit, right? Okay, and I normally when you gap up, I don't trade it and I wait for it to settle down, right? Okay, so while it's settling down, right? I realized, why not use the 30 minutes to trade on MO, right? Use the 30 minutes to trade on MO. So what happens is that somewhere around here, right? I took the trade on MO, right? Roughly around $40.00, right? Okay. And after that it went up and I took the profits, right? One thing, a low price stock, you need to trade a lot of shares, right? For it, like in terms of the thousands, right? Okay, for it to like really move 1 cent, 2 cent, or even 5 cents to make a decent profit, right? Okay, so anyhow, right? This was a small profit, right? Because after I traded it, it actually went down a little bit, almost hit my stop loss. So when it was going up, right, somewhere around 40.05, I got out, right? Okay. So that was the small winning trade, right? Okay. Dash, I wanted to sell it down, right? You can see also from MACD, on the 4 hour, 30 minutes, or even 1 hour, the MACD is set up for it to come down, right? And it did, right? It did. It opened high, right? It opened higher and came down one round, right? One round over here. Then after that, a small round here. Normally you wouldn't have take it. Even if I take it, I may have already got out early to wait for a better setup, right? The better setup is here, right? Which I traded, right? 19 shares, right? I calculated it was 500 shares, but my account didn't allow me to trade 500 shares after trading MO, right? Okay, so like I say next week I'm going to size it much better, as it reduce my risk per trade for everyone, right? My sizing for MO was correct, but it took all the equity, right? Due to the swing trades also. So I didn't factor in the swing trades taking some of my equity. If I didn't do all the swing trades, I would say Dash I would have got in, and MO I would have got in with the right size also, right? So that aside, and since it's 19 shares, I traded here. Then after that it came out here. Then I was thinking like, hey, it's just 19 shares, might as well just close it, no point trading it anyway, right? Okay, so instead of 500 shares that I calculated should be traded, right? So took like few dollars losses, right? Okay, but if just for learning sake, right, the trigger was here and it did came down over here, right? Okay, coming down nicely, sideways down, which is pretty okay, right? This will have been a very decent profit, right? Based on the entry price and the current price right now, right? Okay, so MO also going up, right? Still staying up, right? Still quite okay, right? So stock selection is very important, right? I select it based on my TW strategy, right? Just now I just mentioned some of it, which is using MACD, the setup over here, right? Just in case you want to learn more about how I use my strategy to trade day trade or select stocks for day trade or even swing trades, right? I actually hold an online free training workshop, right, which you can actually register to attend to learn more about this strategy. All right, you can click the link around this video, right, to register, and I hope I can see you live during my free online trading and workshop, right? Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be on cruise, right, to take a break, and coming back on Monday to do my second round of part 2 of annual market outlook with just exclusively to my students. So if you are my students, you haven't registered yet, make sure you email us. Let us know that you're one of our students and you want the link to register, right? Okay, if you're watching this video. Thank you so much and I'll see you soon.